Inaayos nila yung cheese guys. Maglaro daw sila. Ito si Valera may ano to may class dyan ng ano ng cheese. Ayan Victor. Go go Victor. Go go Valera, inaayos nila. Magaling to may lang ano dito ayan plastic. Okay, go mob. Who's first mob? Mob Victor. Mob Valera. Okay, go yo Victor. Tug. Go Valera. Wow. Where you put? Very good. Go Victor. You. Victor, no, cannot. Because one. Only there. Go Valera, you. Very good. Yo Victor. Move. Okay. Go Victor, eat. Very good. Eat Valera. Very good. Eat Victor, very good. Valera, go. Very good. Victor. Save your queen. Okay, put this one Victor. Okay. Eat. Okay, Valera, eat. Very good, eat. Valera, go. Victor, next. Magaling to sila guys, tinuturuan kasi sila ng Papa. Si Valera talaga, mayroon siyang klase nito na cheese. Host mo, Victor. Valera, you. Your turn. Your turn, Victor. Mob already. Okay? Victor. Okay? Valera. Mob your queen Victor. Okay? Eat. Eat also Victor. Malajet. Go. Very good. Go. Mob. Valera. You Victor. Wow, very good Victor. Lumalaban. You fight Victor. Okay, Victor. Valera, mob. Are you sure, Valera, you eat? Pinagpalit mo yung sa ha? Mas maliit yung kinuha ni Valera. Go. Valera, mob. Okay, Victor. May ganun pa ng mobs, guys. Parang mali yata yun. Yet, Victor. No, shock. Because have one. Valera, go. No, Valera, cannot beat Valera. You from here. Victor, you move your rock. Ano ba yung rock? Uy. Okay, bahala na kayo. Mali-mali na, guys. Mali-mali na yung ginagawa nila Go, Victor. Update guys, magaling din si Victor guys Muntik pang talunin ito si Valera. Victor, don't move this one. Don't move this one, Victor. This one move. No, this one too. Here, two. Okay. Sudah. Okay. Move this one. Victor, you sakmat. Sakmat sudah. Tam. Put sakmat. Dah. No, this one eat only. Eat also. Go.